a given situation, when you only speak, then you get one perspective to it. But when you listen to 10 people, you get a broader perspective to a situation. And अगर एग्जाम पर्पज से बात करें तो the materials which sir give us will enhance the quality of our essays, because the most important thing is how to use the materials, where to use them, because the materials you will get it from Google or you will get it from a lot of places. But what sir teaches over here is how to use them, where to use them, and not to use more, not to use less. Because if you do not use them properly, then instead of gaining marks, you are going to lose more marks. So you will always have to practice that and be consistent in the classes, because using the materials which sir gives will require a lot of skill. And the other thing that I learned over here is to overcome the fear of audience. We are not like accustomed to speaking in front of a lot of people, but over here you will be asked to speak like in the first time you will ask to speak in front of 5 people, then 10, then the number increases. So eventually you overcome the fear. So, and the materials which sir gives in his essay writing classes, you can not only use them in your essays, because it increases the quality of your essays. No one is going to sit in the exam hall and think of using poetry, parable, fables, and autobiographies and use, but you can also use them in your own lives, like to improve the quality of your life, because each material will have a special message. They will have certain value which you can use in your real life and improve your life. So overall, you will learn a lot of things if you be consistent. But if you are going to miss classes, then always the other day you are going to regret, because in each class, sir is going to teach you something different, something unique which you have never heard. Sir will insist you to think and explore those part of your mind which you have never used. Even you will get to know more about yourself. You will get to know certain things which you never knew about yourself, like you could think in those directions. It will open your mind, and then in the exam hall you will not need to learn anything. After reading the topic, things will pop up in your mind on their own, but this will require like a long process, so you will have to be consistent. So I would request all of you to be consistent in sir's class and enjoy the class and attend as much as possible, and always be punctual. That is the thing that I love about this class. Like, punctuality is the thing that I learned from this class, and I will always praise this quality of sir. Thank you.